Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about the Tesla Model 2, which is expected to release in 2026. This is Tesla's upcoming compact electric car, designed to make EVs more affordable while keeping Tesla's signature technology and performance. Many people are excited because this car could become a game changer in the EV market. Inside, the Model 2 will feature Tesla's minimalist cabin, with a central touchscreen controlling most functions. Expect over-the-air software updates, autopilot, and possibly new tech features for a compact car. Despite being smaller, smart design maximizes interior space, keeping passengers comfortable. Tesla is known for performance, and the Model 2 is no exception. The base version is expected to have a single-motor rear-wheel drive, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. A dual-motor AWD variant may be even faster. Battery capacity is expected to provide a range of 250 to 300 miles, enough for city and long drives. Let's talk about charging and battery. The Tesla Model 2 is expected to support fast charging, allowing drivers to recharge from 10% to 80% in a short time. Its efficient battery system ensures long driving ranges, making it convenient for both city commutes and longer trips. The Tesla Model 2 is aimed at a more affordable segment, potentially starting at $25,000 to $30,000. This could attract younger buyers and anyone entering the EV market. It will compete with other compact EVs like the Chevy Bolt, Nissan Leaf, and VW ID.2. Its 2026 release could reshape the EV landscape. In conclusion, the Tesla Model 2 is the next step in making electric cars accessible, efficient, and fun. With Tesla's technology, performance, and brand, it's a car to watch in 2026. For anyone looking for a compact, stylish, and advanced EV, the Model 2 could be a perfect choice. Thank you for watching.